Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Visa card to the Play Store. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to make purchases quickly and securely. First, open the Google Play Store app on your smartphone or tablet. Then, look for your profile icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, and give it a tap. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Payments and Subscriptions to begin adding your card. Now that you are in the Payments section, you will see a list of your existing payment methods, if any. Tap on Payment Methods to manage them. Next, you will want to select the option to Add Credit or Debit Card. This is where you will input your Visa card details. Carefully enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration month and year, and the 3-digit CVC security code found on the back of your card. After entering your card details, you will need to provide your billing address. This includes your street address, city, state, or province, and your postal code. It is crucial to ensure that all the information you enter here precisely matches the billing details registered with your Visa card. Double-check everything for accuracy. Once you are confident all details are correct, simply tap the Save button to securely add your Visa card to your Google Play account. Congratulations! Your Visa card is now successfully connected and ready for use on the Google Play Store. When you make a purchase, you can easily select your newly added Visa card as your preferred payment option during the checkout process. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to your bank or contact Google Play support for assistance. Enjoy your seamless purchasing experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.